Yeah. Here we go.
Sorry.
You get it?
Hold on. Wait, you have to stay looking at the photo. Look.
Did you get one?
You keep moving your head.
Come right here. Stand
I
right
get
here.
some. Check, look at them.
Stand right there. Let me see something real
Look
quick.
at the photos.
Yeah, stand right there.
You want to turn off the flash?
Come right here. Oh, it's probably not good. Can you take a photo for me, please? Yeah. Both of us. Thank you so much.
One, two, three.
She looks like my twin. She looks like my twin, right?
Oh, yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Nothing happened. We probably just lost the signal. I don't know, maybe because the music is playing. I don't know if YouTube is actually like blocking it because of copyright. I don't know. I can't tell, but nothing happened. Oh, I'm sorry. No, I turn off his sound because the music is playing, Lady Smitty, and sometimes I just turn off his sound. Who's this gentleman, Alina? On this pole right here, this statue. Who's that supposed to be?
I don't remember. I actually did come and read it. Read a whole thing about it though.
Okay.
They have one over here about the Irish famine.
Yeah. But yeah.
Gondola ride.
They actually have personal up and down. Hi there, hey there, hey there, hey there. It's back. So you hear the music playing?